Welcome to the channel. Strand 9, question number 6, the final question of Strand 9 and final question of the exam 2024 Year 12 Certificate Exam Maths paper. Squares of length x centimeter are cut from four corners of a 45 centimeter by 24 meter rectangular sheet of metal. So there's a rectangular sheet of metal 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter, and from the corners 4 squares are cut of length x centimeter. We don't yet know how many centimeters, it just says x centimeter. The remaining sheet is folded to form an open box. So what is happening over here is a square is cut from this corner, and then that corner, and then that corner, and then that corner. And the remaining piece is folded to form a rectangular box of that type. So that means that height is x. That's x. And how long is that? 45. This is 45. And how long will be that? Oh, just a sec. This side over here will be 45 minus 2x. So that's 45. That's x. And that's x. So 2x has been removed. 45 minus 2x. And that is 24. This way is 24 minus 2x. So x, the height over here, length is 45 minus 2x. The width is 24 minus 2x. So that sheet of metal, square corners are removed, x centimeter by x centimeter, and then the remaining sheet folded. So that is folded to form an open box, an open cuboid of length 45 minus 2x, width 24 minus 2x, and the height x in centimeters. Part A says determine an expression for the volume V of the open box in terms of x and expand and simplify your answer. This is worth 2 marks. So we start with the volume formula. The volume of a box or a cuboid is given by length times width multiplied by height. So what is the length over here? The length is 45 minus 2x, 45 minus 2x, and the width is 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, multiplied by the height. The height is x. Do not confuse the x and the times. That's times and that's x. If you get confused, what you can do is you can just put a dot to mean that it is multiplying. So let's expand the first binomial. 45 multiplied by 24, that's 1080. Now 45 multiplied by minus 2x, so that will give you minus 90x. Minus 2x multiplied by 24, that is going to give you minus 48x. And then negative 2x multiplied by negative 2x, that is going to give you plus 4x squared. And then I have to squash in that x over here multiplied by x. So let's simplify. 1080, negative 90 and negative 48. They simplify to give you negative 138x. And then we have a plus 4x squared over here. And that whole thing multiplied by x. So try to recall, how did you get the plus 4x squared? Negative 2x multiplied by negative 2x. Negative and negative multiplied to give you positive. Now, you distribute the x into the group. X multiplied by 1080 is 1080x minus 138 multiplied by x. 138x multiplied by x is 138x squared. Not forgetting the minus sign in front of that. And then plus 4x squared multiplied by x is 4x to the power of 3. So that expression is your volume expression. And if you want, you can put a bracket and write x, volume expression in terms of x, or just v is also okay. If you didn't write the bracket x, that's still fine. What they're looking for is that if you shout the examiner that expression, you're given 2 marks in this question. Thanks for watching.